What is up, YouTube people? It's your boy Automotive with another video today on the Dodge Dakota. I wanted to fix the issue with the wiring of the radio, and I said why not just install the woofer and the amp and the speakers that I have laying around for the Miata, and I guess enjoy them while I end up putting them back into the Miata. So this was my old setup on my old Miata. This is a 10-inch woofer with a small Alpine power amp. The model of this amp, it's I got this Pioneer radio that came with the Dodge Dakota. I got these Infinity radio speakers. I think they're 5-inch. And I have this 10-inch JL audio. Came with the box and everything. So here's the other speaker. I'll be installing this today. Right now I have a disaster in this truck. I have my wiring boxes out. I'm gonna start wiring this up. So right now what I'm doing is I'm thinking about just running a constant wire from the battery to the radio, and hopefully that ends up solving my issue. A lot of people leave stuff like this halfway on, and this is one of the issues why your car won't start, or it takes more time to start in the morning. So fix these issues that you have for your car so you won't be stuck and stranded in the middle of nowhere and then find out that it's because of this. So this one here only has one groove in the center, and it's only big enough for one wire, so I might have to go to AutoZone and pick up another one, but this is as good as I can get it for now, and I think that would work just fine. I see a hole right there. I see the wire harness going in, so I might just end up shooting it through there. Let me start, getting this stuff sorted out, and then I'll get right back to y'all. I placed my amp behind the seat and I ran my wires through here. So I'm gonna plug in these wires and run it over there for the woofer to plug in. And after that, I will put it on video so you guys can see that. All right, guys, so far we got the woofer connected, the amp connected to the woofer. And I got my cables running through here behind my radio. Also, I ran my power wire from the battery to the radio because there was not one cable that I could find that I could get power from. So I ran it from the battery to here. Normally I don't like doing that stuff, but I had to. So it's already 6:42. Might have to do it tomorrow. What is up, guys? It's another day today. Yesterday mosquitoes were so bad they were eating us alive, so we had to put up everything. Guys, what I'm doing today is I'm trying to figure out why the radio is not working. There's no sound coming out of it. Okay, so I got the battery installed. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to figure out why this radio is not working. So turn the key on. Radio's not working. I'm gonna just go get rid of it. Okay, guys, so obviously the other radio didn't work, so in that case I'm gonna just go out and buy new radios. All right, guys, so here's what I went and bought. Boss Elite Bluetooth MP3 compatible digital. It's the 455 BRGB. These are the two old radios that I went and brought from my house. The wires that I bought for the speakers, the dash kit install, car stereo wire harness, and then I went and bought these connectors. But with that being said, guys, let's get to it. I connected the butt plugs. They're really hard to take out once they go in. When you pull it really hard, this little blue thing pops out. You gotta be careful with that. All right, guys, so I finished the installation. It looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna test it out and see if it works. Just go turn it on.
Never been more important. We can help guide you.
So that's pretty much it. That's the installation. Okay, guys, well, that's it for the episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked the content. The next video will be about me putting the refrigerant on the truck, and I hope that there's no leaks on it, but we'll figure it out. So if you guys like this kind of content, give it a like, and if you want to support, subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next time. Peace.